a quintessential analysis of Halloween origins and evolution. Halloween, with its amalgamation of enchantment and eerie transmutations, symbolizes a long-standing tradition cherished predominantly in Western territories, but with burgeoning admiration globally. Originating from the Celtic festival of Samhain, Halloween epitomizes the liminality between the autumnal equinox and the winter solstice, between the realms of the living and the spectral entities of yore. The ancient Celts, residing in regions now recognized as Ireland, the United Kingdom, and northern France, celebrated Samhain, heralding the termination of the harvest season and the commencement of winter. It was believed that during this juncture, the boundaries separating the corporeal and spiritual realms diminished, allowing spectral entities to permeate our world. To mollify these entities, tributes in the form of food and beverages were presented, and bonfires were kindled, perceived to have purifying properties. The advent of Christianity saw the amalgamation of Samhain with Christian observances, All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day, celebrated on the 1st and 2nd of November respectively. These days, collectively termed All Hallowtide, were dedicated to commemorating saints and praying for recently departed souls. Halloween, derived from All Hallows' Eve, marks the eve of All Hallowtide, maintaining the essence of the Samhain tradition, intertwined with Christian observances. Modern Halloween festivities are a tableau of eclectic traditions, with carved pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns, originating from Irish folklore, signifying the spirit-stingy Jack, trapped between heaven and hell. Symbolizing a convergence of cultural practices, Halloween has become a vessel for social commentary, shedding light on societal norms and fears through the medium of costumes and revelries. Conveying complex psychological concepts, Halloween facilitates the exploration of the human psyche's dark recesses. People embrace their deepest fears, confronting the reality of mortality and the unknown. Mirroring the Gothic literature of the 19th century, Halloween, with its diverse traditions and inherent multifaceted themes, enables the reflection of societal fears and morbid fascinations, offering an outlet for exploring taboos and suppressed anxieties in a convivial atmosphere. One may opine that Halloween functions as a form of catharsis, a purgation of suppressed emotions and latent fears, allowing individuals to confront their internal trepidations within the safe confines of a festivity. The myriad of costumes, ranging from the macabre to the fantastical, permits the exploration of myriad identities and roles, reflecting societal alterations and aspirations. Furthermore, Halloween represents an economic phenomenon, with its commercialization influencing industries and economies. The consumer expenditure surrounding Halloween-related products and services is colossal, with an infusion of creative industries like film and literature exploiting the ubiquitous Halloween themes. The economic ramifications are extensive, impacting sectors from retail to entertainment, underscoring the immense economic potential of this festivity. However, the commercialization of Halloween has elicited critiques, with some contentions focusing on the dilution of its original essence and traditions. The commodification and proliferation of Halloween imagery and products might lead to cultural homogenization, potentially overshadowing the diverse, rich traditions inherent to different cultures. Despite these critiques, the continual evolution of Halloween traditions signifies the adaptability and resilience of cultural practices, demonstrating the amalgamation of historical and contemporary elements shaped by societal shifts and global influences. Analytically, Halloween has metamorphosed from a regional tradition, delineating the boundary between seasons and realms, into a global phenomenon, symbolizing the interweaving of cultural, psychological, and economic threads. It transcends its origins, reflecting the complexities of human nature, society, and the multifaceted interplay between the living and the metaphysical. In conclusion, Halloween, rooted in ancient traditions, has evolved into a multifaceted cultural phenomenon, encapsulating the convergence of diverse traditions, psychological explorations, and economic influences. It serves as a mirror, reflecting societal norms, fears, and aspirations, providing a medium for the exploration of the human psyche and cultural expression. The continued evolution and adaptation of Halloween traditions underscore the dynamic nature of cultural practices, their resilience and adaptability, and their capacity to reflect and accommodate the complexities of human existence and societal transformation. The ubiquity and popularity of Halloween, despite critiques, attest to its enduring appeal and its multifarious role in contemporary